all of my residential window. Now, I'm gonna soap it down. Whenever I soap it down, I'm extending my strip washer over the vinyl part of the window because it's the vinyl in is what we're cleaning. Glass, frame, tracks and sills. Screens if they're there. Okay, so now I've soaped it down. I've got my towel and I'm gonna go ahead and I've got 1, 2, 3 I've got doubled up fingers and 3. So what I'm doing is I'm grabbing with one swipe. I've got a pinky in the corner of the glass. I have the rest of my fingers flat here. So it's like this with my towel.
Okay.
Swipe, swipe, swipe. Okay, so I'm swipe, swipe, swipe. That's literally now I'm gonna go ahead with this dampness on my towel. I'm just gonna do a single swipe on everything else. Because what we're doing is we're just cleaning the window to a maintainable condition. So whenever you touch it, there's no surface debris, okay? You're not trying to go like this and everything. You can always touch things up and make them look really good for the client, but you don't need to do anything more than a little back and forth and a nice little firm underneath your towel and a damp towel. Okay, now, you can go side to side or down. On this case, with a single hung window like this, I want to go side to side. So my edges are dry. I'm going to knead the edge just a little bit, and I'm just going to pull it straight across. I have a deep ledge right here, and it's going to hang me up a little bit whenever I finish. But with this, the size of my squeegee, I can just do 2 pulls straight over to the edge. Each time I'm drying my squeegee. Now I'm going after a dry part of my towel. So I'm feeling my towel for a really dry part. If I don't have one, I'm gonna get out another towel, which I don't have, so I use this one. Now I've got 2 fingers. One is here and one is here. So I'm just doing a super dry on my edge, top 3 edges. Now I'm gonna lift my window. I'm gonna tilt it. I'm gonna rest the sash against me. Super dry. I'm gonna touch up there, in, dry piece of towel, there, in. And always around the locks are always different. It doesn't matter, as long as you're using a dry piece of towel, you can get behind there however you like. Don't need to worry about that dry that crevice in there because we already brushed it. But you still need to, with the damp part of your towel, you're gonna swipe, 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 single swipe. Swipe, 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 all that vinyl part. So when you touch it, it's clean, okay?
Okay.
Now, all my water just came down on this. My towel's damp. So I'm gonna hold the towel flat on my fingers. I'm holding onto it with my thumb and I'm going around everything right here. Okay? Now, that's all clean. Now I'm gonna raise this. I'm gonna put the bottom sash in front of my face. I'm gonna soap it down. Again, I can get my strip washer right over that vinyl part just to give it a nice clean. I'm pushing down on this right here, and I can even go like this, and I can even go like this. Okay? Again, 3 fingers, maybe 4. You're going for the corner of the glass and the whole entire vinyl frame in one swipe. Okay? So now you don't have any drips coming down, anything like that. Now I'm gonna pull down. I'm gonna knead it. Little teeny micro pulls. Ready? So I'm not having any drag. There's no wetness behind my squeegee. I'm gonna pull straight down. Finish, dry. On this one, I'm gonna overlap, so I'm on dry glass, and I'm gonna angle towards my dry, pull down. Oh, I hate that noise. That's the worst noise in the window cleaning world right there. Okay. So now I've squeegeed it, super dry part of towel, 2 fingers. I'm just going for the corner of the glass. If your towel's not dry, you leave a white mark. Super dry, I'm gonna go ahead and I had a little mess up right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get it with the super dry part of my towel. Single swipe, single swipe, single swipe. Now I've got a towel that's damp. I've got a towel that's probably dirty. I'm gonna pull that out and I'm gonna go ahead and single swipe, look for drips. Single swipe, single swipe. This part, my outside part, I'm just bringing everything in. I'm making sure my weather stripping is clean, and I'm done.